So let's have a look at building a kit. So first thing I'm going to do is to choose what I'm going to build. Now in this instance, I'm actually going to choose a template, one of the ones we built earlier. But I could actually get the system to say allow building kit without a template, which means I can build a kit from almost anything. But in this instance, I'm using a template, and I'm also going to identify where the stock item is going to finish up once it's been built. I identify the quantity I'm going to build, and it tells me the maximum build I could make based on the free stock quantity that I've got. It also identifies the quantity I need and the estimated cost of the item once I've built it. You do have the ability to have a labor cost and add a machine cost as well. That's not like manufacturing where you can have a cost per operation or employee. This is just a general overall cost. So what I'm going to say is that it's costing us £1 for a labor item and £1 for a machine item to make this kit. To make one, that's what it's going to be. But what I'm going to say is I'm going to make 4. I can choose the warehouse where the raw materials can come from as well. So I'm going to make 4, and what I then do is allocate the stock I need to make that 4. So allocate the quantity needed to do that. So I'm making 4, I've allocated the stock, then I just tell the system to build those 4. But what I'm actually going to say is don't build 4, actually build 2. So I do have the ability to part build a kit.